Hey, let me show you the best features of the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. And first of all, we are going to start from all of these features that we can actually find straight on our device, because a lot of them we can actually find in the phone application. So now, let's swipe up, and what I really like that we can actually customize this menu. In my case, it's actually hard to navigate because we can actually find some icons, but I'm not sure what, for example, this icon do. So if I want to get some description for these icons, I have to click on the settings icon. Now I have to scroll down, go into the layout and select list and take a look. Now when I go back, it's definitely much easier to navigate right here. And now when we've got all of this information about each icon, first of all, we can for sure measure the heart rate, but what I like is actually to go into the heart rate settings, and we can enable this continuous monitoring of our heart rate, but we can also enable high heart rate alert and a low heart rate alert. So when you are not, when you are like resting, sitting in your desk or lying in your bed watching something, and your heart rate is going over 100 beat rate per minute, you will actually get the notification, and it works the same for the low heart alert. You can actually start from the 50 beat rate per minute. Next, when you go back from this one, we can for sure measure the blood oxygen level. But when you go into the settings, we can enable all-day tracking. So this device will automatically track our SpO2 levels, but we can also get this low SpO2 alert. Next, when we go back from this one, we can also measure our sleep. So when you go into the settings, we can enable the advanced monitoring to get inside the REM sleep stage. And also we can monitor our sleeping breathing. So we can enable this breathing score like this. Next, go back from this one. Also, we can measure the stress, but what is really useful for me when I'm in the gym, I really like to use stopwatch. So I know how much time I can rest between any sets. That's very useful. Also, when I'm playing the music from my phone during the gym exercises, I can control the volume level, or I can change the songs. So when I play the Spotify or YouTube music, I can click here to turn the next song, turn the previous song, or play pause, or simply change the volume level. So it's really useful for me. I don't have to go to my bag, grab my phone. I can just do this straight into my watch. Also, I can find my smartphone. If I lost my phone, I can click to find the phone, click search. Okay, now I don't receive this sound. Let me just fix this. I just turned on the do not disturb mode on my phone, but now take a look. There we go. So it's super easy to find your phone if you lost it, and yeah, that's really cool. And I think that's all from this watch. And the other options I'm gonna show you on this Mi Fitness application. So we have to grab it, go into the Mi Fitness app, and from this I really like to, personalize all of these watch faces. So I can click to the device, go into the manage band displays, and if I want to get my own photo as a watch face, I can simply do this by selecting the custom one, picking one of the preset, for example this one. Now from this I can go into the slideshow, select something from my Instagram, from my phone, like for example this one, this photo. Now I can zoom in. For example, let's pick this part of the photo and click continue. Now additionally I can change color of this font. Let's get maybe the green one or yellow, it looks better, and then click apply. Now I have to wait for this installation process, and after like 10 or 15 seconds I will find my custom watch face straight on my Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. I'm talking about the watch face, but of course it's actually the band face, because that's not watch, that's smart band. Now just wait for this process. It's actually this default one. but now we got the custom one. Take a look. There we go. Also, if you are looking for some cool looking watch faces, you can go back, and from this you can actually go into the popular, and now you can find the most downloaded watch faces. So I'm looking for this, yeah, that's here, the pixelation. So click on it, and then you can just click apply. It will be like moving this face into the watch. And now, just wait for it. There it is. It looks really cool. I really enjoy it. And what is like really also a nice feature, that we can quickly change straps. So if you are using the Redmi Watch 3 Active, it was really hard to take it off and after this put it back. But right here, all you have to do is just to click and hold with your finger, with your fingernail, and then get rid of it. So yeah, you can easily detach these bands and wash them. And that's how it looks. That's all my favorite options, best features of the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.